Okay, so I am here with another layout. My background is Heidi's. And that white pattern with the slash. Mobile data. Oh, my Wi-Fi shut off. Okay, and that pink polka dot is making home sunny days as well. Time to drink my coffee and wake up. I just got So that is when we were in Miami. This is Mateo with his 2 aunts. One was fun. And the goat pattern is making home sunny days foil on cardstock. Oh, I got my front porch and half my driveway power washed yesterday. Now I'm going to try to do it today, which is Memorial Day. It's going to take me a while to get this one uploaded, so it might be August before I get this one produced and uploaded, because I have several to do. I got behind. Alright, so okay, so I'm going to use a doily from my stash. It was a white doily that I painted with blue metallic acrylic paint. I'm going to use that Project Life card from an old Project Life add-on kit. That's just Chillin, and that's what I'm using as my title. Hey, Reese. Hey, baby girl. And I'm going to put the reverse side of that gold pattern up in the corner. Oh, man. And so I'm just looking for embellishments to use now. Oh, don't step on my keyboard. Alright, so I'm going to use the die cuts, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive product, This Beautiful Life Ephemera. So I'm just gonna start gluing stuff down. Alright, I'm just trying to figure out where to put all the dies, and now I'm going to use Flare from my stash. These are, I used like Maggie Holmes digital kits and stuff, and my digital and stuff from the Silhouette store, and I made 1-inch circles, and then I filled them with a digital paper or paper from Silhouette store, and added some of them. I added embellishments to the top, kind of designed my own, and then printed them and cut them, and then I have the epoxy 1-inch epoxy stickers that I got a whole bunch from Amazon. That was not badly priced. I've had them for a long time, so I don't remember how much I paid. So I add those, and then I'm going to go get some sequins now. There they are, pink paisley, and I'm going to add those. And once I get the sequins down, that's going to complete my layout. So I'll let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will be back with those.